something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
Welcome back to Theater of Circumstance.
Last week, we worked on developing the middle section of our theater piece.
To do this, each of us created a PowerPoint presentation in character, explaining what ought to be done about the situation with the flower pot falling on the landlady's head.
This week, we're working on the end section of our play.
This week, our characters are recording voicemails for people that they trust after finding themselves in a lawyer's office after the events with their landlady.
Yeah, hey Nancy. I was wondering if you could just put me through to my dad. Oh, yeah, it's, Bowen again. Oh, okay, maybe just, push me to his voicemail? Yeah, sorry, I'll be shorter this time, sorry. Okay, thanks. Hey Dad, it's Bowen again. Just wanted to call, let you know we're all at Mr. Larson's office. Thanks for sending the car. Definitely helped out a lot. If you get the chance, we'd love to see you. I'd like to see you. If anything, catch up. But no, I know you're busy. But yeah, thanks. And I'm sorry. Okay. Hopefully I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Hey, Aunt Sarah. It's me, Sammy. I hope that you and Cheryl are doing okay. I'm at a lawyer's office right now. There was a bit of an incident involving my stupid roommates. And it would be really great if you could send me some money. And do me a favor, please don't tell my mom about this. Thank you. I love you. I will talk to you soon. Bye.
Hey, good morning, sir. I'm sorry to bother you today. I'm reaching out because I was hoping you could give me a worker's visa. I may be in some potential legal trouble soon. It's something with my roommates. I am not responsible for any of the damages or anything involved. But I do not want to risk having to go back to Quebec. I'd like to stay here in New York. So yes, I'll hold it.
Hey Sarah, I was just hoping you'd pick up FaceTime. I'm a little caught up. Bowen's dad has us all together trying to figure out this stuff with the landlady. And I need to tell you that I can't come in for the pizza shift later today. So if you could call someone to cover that for me, I'd appreciate it because I won't be there. And if you could send in a pizza, that'd be great too. But call me later.
Hi, Steve. This is Trent Callis. Look, I know I haven't done the best job of keeping in touch with you, but I miss you, and you're like one of the only people I feel like I can trust to call right now. I'm just gonna cut right to the chase. I told my parents that I was taking a road trip to detox in Redwood National Forest. I'm not in the forest. I'm in New York. I think I'm in trouble, and I need your legal advice. I know you're a federal judge, so I know it's not technically your domain, but I need your help. Just call me when you get this. Okay, bye.
Now it's your turn.
First, think of someone that you look up to. This could be someone you know personally, someone you've heard of but never actually met, a celebrity. It could be anyone at all. Now, for the purpose of this exercise, let's call that person your guide.
What is the one thing you would tell this person if you could?
Now, think of a time in your life when you've had to deal with a problem or some kind of struggle. What is a question you could ask your guide that might help you deal with that problem? What do you think they'd say in response?
Try to record your response in some way. You can write it down in a notebook or record a video or a voice memo or anything you want.
We can't wait to see what you come up with.